15 moments when an angry hyena seriously injured a lion while trying to fight for prey. Fighting animals. Herds of lions and hyenas compete for food. Lion is a powerful predator. But hyenas are not easy to deal with because of their stubbornness and group-like extravagance. Battles bring terrible pain, and those who are hurt continue to hurt others. Welcome back to the bloody battle in the wild as animals fight each other. The opening scene is the incredible interaction between elephants and hyenas in the natural world. The hyenas chose to run away from the dangerous oncoming predator. They lost their prey and ran away to avoid being hurt by this pair of lions. Understanding this situation is not an advantage for female lions. The hunter skillfully stepped back and probed every move of the hyenas. The incident was saved and tension was avoided when the giant herd of elephants retreated. Hyenas lost their prey and drank water to hold their breath. The king of the steppe alone feasted in the grass without inviting any guests to join, making the hyenas look hungry and thirsty. The male lion left when the cunning person took the bait, but the ferocious male lion quickly caught this thief in the act. Hyenas live with their teammates, and they were quick to save the weak member from the hands of this master hunter. Lion was determined to take revenge on the hyenas when he brutally murdered hyena right on the trail. The hunting territory of hunters is very large in the natural world, but they kept running into each other. Fortunately, this female lion was helped by the pack when two young lions rushed forward. The lioness appears trying to steal the hyena and is almost attacked by the hyena. Then suddenly a giant male lion appeared and the hyenas scattered. Hyenas are more afraid of male lions because male lions usually deal with hyenas whenever they encounter them. The green fields highlight the images of two of the grassland's most sinister predators. This group of female lions was hunting a large prey, and the smell of fresh blood attracted the hungry eyes of a large herd of hyenas nearby. They gathered and shouted, and in a short time the battle began. The chaos and anger were quickly relieved when the brave male lion ran away into the distance. The territorial sovereignty of the king of the steppe was consolidated. While walking on the savannah, a female lion accidentally encountered a boar looking for food right on the trail. Without vigilance, prey diligently searches for food. This has pushed it into a death sentence. two lions set a trap to capture it alive. After catching the wild boar, the lion's meal is completed on the grassland. Surrounded by a group of stubborn and gluttonous hyenas, they watched the lion enjoy its prey and were filled with ambition to steal its food. I think they will not be able to plunder anything in this natural world. The competition for the same food chain between these two species has brought conflicts to a climax. Young lions and hyenas fight with tolerance. Meanwhile, a male lion took advantage of his power to steal the prey of 20 hyenas feasting on the grassland. Hunting a warthog has never been easier. Unlike the previous situation, the lion chose to dig diligently in the dirt. The violent and fierce hunting journey continues in the following episodes in the natural world. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to receive the latest notifications about the fox's hunting journey in the next issue. Thank you and see you again.
Justin, so did you see my bag? What you think about that? Catch me stacking paper, ain't no one greater. Rising to the top, never gonna stop, no debater. I'm on the grind, always staying on the move. I hustle hard, can't afford to lose, ooh yeah. Catch me stacking paper, ain't no one greater. Rising to the top, never gonna stop, no debater. So did you see my bag? Well, what you think about that? Well, did you see my bag? Yeah, did you see my bag? Yeah, what you think about that? Huh? What you think about that? I bet it got my haters feeling mad, mad, mad. I bet it got my haters feeling sad, sad, sad. I'ma blow up like a rocket and leave them all in shock, yeah, Ooh, yeah. I'm on a mission, no time for playing. I'm making moves while they just staying. I'm focused, determined, ain't no room for slacking. I'm a paper chaser, there's no backing down, no lacking. Ooh yeah, catch me stacking paper, ain't no one greater. Rising to the top, never gonna stop, no debater. So did you see my bag? Well, what you think about that? Well, did you see my bag? Yeah, did you see my bag? Yeah, did you see my bag? Yeah, what you think about that? Huh? What you think about that? I bet it got my haters feeling mad, mad, mad. I bet it got my haters feeling sad, sad, sad. I'ma blow up like a rocket and leave them all in shock, kid, shock. Climbing up the ladder, ain't no looking down. Got the whole world watching, now the tables turn around. Used to be the underdog, but the future looking bright, bright. Burning up the pavement, leaving haters in the night. Did you see my bag? Yeah, yeah. Did you see my bag? What you think about that? What you think about that? Yeah, I'm that top dog now. Bow wow. Did you see my bag? Yeah, yeah. Did you see my bag? Yeah, yeah. What you think about that? What you think about that? Yeah, I'm that top dog now. Bow wow.